There's 2 elevator 5 and 6. Elevator, all of my stuff on this floor. I'm gonna ask if we can go outside observation deck from these elevators. We have an Otis double deck elevator. No, this one's probably a single cab. We got an Otis elevator. We don't know which elevator it will be. This one. Here it is. Can you take me outside, outdoor observation deck from here? What's 112? 112. The lights? How about the outdoor view? 109, thank you. This is not double deck, right? This one, right?
Can you give me time?
Yeah, go ahead. Can I see the fixtures? There are your fixtures on here. There are your fixtures. Thank you.
Yeah.
Can I do my cab view? Nobody's here, right? This is a nice elevator. Guess what? Who do you see? Me. Otis. Thank you. Door's closing.